Hey, what's up, guys? So some have asked about the oil catch can. Alright, the oil catch can, all it does is it goes in between what you would normally have a PCV hose coming off the PCV filter going into the intake, and any residual oil vapors would go and get reburned in the engine. And a lot of times what this does is it creates extra carbon deposits, and it just keeps, and it doesn't allow your the cylinders or the combustion chamber to burn as clean as it could. So what we're doing here is we're bypassing it, and it's collecting those vapors and everything that would normally travel back into the intake into a can. Just recently I changed the oil. I was running a very basic 10W40 oil, won't name brands, but very basic, and I ran it 1,000 miles because the engine is still new. It has 3,500 miles on it. But then I went back with another 1040 brand, a little better brand. I'm not saying that the brands have anything to do with how much it caught, but I do think that the better the oil, the less vapors it produces, which would produce less in this can. I have two trucks. One of them runs mobile, and it doesn't hardly have anything in it at a 5,000 mile interval. Okay, but this is only 1,000 miles, and this is what it caught. I'm gonna pour it in this cup. Hope the lighting is right. Yeah. Caught a fair amount. Some of it, it's a little condensation in there because this is an aluminum device and it gets hot and cold. It caught that much in 1,000 miles, which is, looks like it's 2 ounces according to this thing. So it actually does work. It keeps the intake, the valves and stuff a little cleaner, I would say. So there you have it. That's the deal with an oil catch can.